Within upstream oil and gas accounting, contracts are a unique and elegant solution that only P2 BOLO offers to make your revenue accounting process more efficient. Complex ownership of oil and gas properties can be tedious to manage each month. Accounting teams must eliminate as many variables as possible to minimize chances for error. Revenue accounting specifically can become complicated quickly. If product is being sold by different owners via separate selling arrangements, the oil and gas accounting system should elegantly handle that detail. Many revenue accountants end up having to create multiple revenue decks, each one set up for the scenario of a specific owner so that owners get paid the right amount or have their take-in-kind reflected accurately, and then maintain those decks throughout ownership changes and suspense every month. With P2 BOLO, revenue accountants can streamline their monthly workflow using contracts. Contracts are set up at a measurement point or a well level of detail. They define how revenue is to be distributed to owners at a granular level, so there's no need for separate DOIs when different revenue distribution rules apply to the various owners. And their effective dating ensures that revenue accountants do not need to set up new contracts over time. Simply effective end and effective start date changes to a contract, then all history is maintained in the case of a required prior period adjustment. Let's look at how BOLO uses contracts. The revenue accountant can manage a single division of interest with the historical chain of title for multiple distribution options. And those distribution options include managing a burden-based or net revenue interest deck. Division of interests can be for a specific product or for all products. And division of interest can be a reporting deck or a true ownership deck. If we're not using a disbursement contract, notice we're going through the distribution and we're paying all of the owners on the division of interest. However, utilizing a disbursement contract in BOLO, we are isolating the distribution to ourselves and our royalty burdens. Disbursement to a subset of owners on the DOI, disbursement to a subset of owners for a specific price, and disbursement to a subset of owners for one or more deductions or expenses. We get asked all the time why people choose BOLO over competitors. And here's one reason: saving time. Getting you home to your family at a reasonable hour because we aren't running processes all day long. You're dealing with complex ownership. BOLO has a fast and easy solution to save you time.